Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're going to be checking out a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath in the low 400s in the North Las Vegas area. So if that's something you're interested, definitely recommend watching this property tour. Also, guys, if this is your first time to my channel and you would like to stay up to date with all the new construction here throughout the Las Vegas area, tap the subscribe button below. Also, tap that bell for notifications. That way, when we do upload these tours, you guys are always the first to learn about them. Now, let's get started. Alright, guys, so here we are in North Las Vegas, and we are in the community of Heartland Bay by DR Horton Homes, and we're going to be checking out floor plan 1795, guys. And this community, let me show you real quick. They had a Heartland Bay here, but now this is an extension, so they're extending out here from Tule Springs. Big master plan. They're going to be building over 3,600 homes. And they do have 2 model homes here available, total of 3 different floor plans. But just for today's tour, guys, to keep these videos shorter, we're just going to be focusing on 1795. So here we have plan 1795. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and just like the plan number, 1,795 square feet, 2-car garage, and this one is priced at $429,990, guys. Average lot here in this community is around 3,400 square feet. Just depends on different lots, but just to give you an average. HOA here is $96. So that includes your sub HOA and also the master plan fee here in this community. They do have a SID and lid here. And if you break it down, it comes out to around 70 bucks monthly and about $422 semi-annual payment. Total balance of estimated around on the low 10,000s, just to give you an idea. It is a gated community. Like I said, 3 different floor plans. They only have 2 models. They are going to be constructing 130 homes in here in this community. And that plan that is not on display, guys, that is a 1,750 square foot home, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath loft, and that was priced at $420,990. You want info? Reach out to me. I'll give you that. So here you got pavers in your driveway. Obviously, right now, the sales office would be your 2-car garage. Now let's go inside and check out this bad boy. Here's our plan, 1795. Nice little entryway. All these homes are also equipped with the smart home technology. There's your camera doorbell. There's a combination deadbolt lock. And then you could control from the panel here inside the home as well. All right, so as soon as you come in, you're gonna notice you do have 8-foot ceilings here. You do have the vinyl flooring. So another thing before I get any farther, everything you see in this house is gonna come with your home purchase. Also, obviously, we're gonna exclude the furniture and any accent paint you see, like for example, this blue. It's gonna be all white walls. Here off to the right is the stairs to the 2nd floor. And come over here. Let me show you guys right here. Actually, there's somebody in there right now. Okay, so we'll show you that in just a second as we head upstairs. So here's the living room. You got your kitchen and your dining. So let me show you here this living room here first. I would say it's a nice, decent sized living room. Then here off to the right, you have your dining. Decent size as well. and then your kitchen, guys. So like I mentioned, everything you see, guys, is what you get. So cabinets, the countertop, the refrigerator, you're gonna get the washer and dryer as well. Also, you don't see them here on this house right now, but you are gonna get blinds with your home purchase. So just that alone, guys, that is a couple $1,000s that you will be saving. I think it's a nice little bonus that you get with your home purchase. You got the nice quartz countertop. Then over here you got your microwave, your stove. You got also about a 4-inch or so backsplash. Get out. Then you do have stainless steel undermount sink. Then also, it looks like this feature has changed. Don't know what new feature is, but if you want that info, I could definitely find that out for you and send it your way. Also, it does come with the osmosis system here with your home purchase. The only thing is you are going to get a basic filtration system, and if you wish to upgrade that, you're more than welcome, but that will be done after you close on your home purchase. But here's this view, guys, here if you're washing dishes, prepping food. Really nice here on this first floor. Then right over here, these double doors, you kind of guess will be a pantry. So nice size pantry. Close it up. And let me show you right over here. It's pretty nice. You got like a coffee station, coffee bar, whatever you guys wish. Here on this side as well. This one you have the white cabinets with the stainless steel handles here throughout the kitchen. So that door right there is going to be to your 2-car garage. I'm not going to check it out because it is the sales office. Then here off to the right, you have a coat closet, storage closet. Also, your smart panel box where all your cable and your internet good stuff goes. And now let's go check out your backyard real quick. So like I mentioned earlier, average lot here is around 3,400 square foot lots. I would say about 18 feet from the back of the house to the back fence, just to give you a rough idea of the size of these lots. And obviously, like how we say in all my videos, guys, you're not going to get this landscaping when you do purchase a new build home, unless one day you do purchase this model home. You will, but other than that, guys, you can count on just being a clean slate, just dirt. And then there are some lots, not all of them, guys, that they do have this extension of the side yard. So I think it's pretty cool, extra space in your backyard. But let me actually get on these rocks real quick to show you full view here of your backyard. Look at this, really nice. Then right across the street, right over there, guys, you have some townhomes, which is Heartland Trails. And then over there you got the single stories, which is Heartland Grove. Those are single story. Then you can't see it, but right over there you got a nice big park. So a lot of nice amenities in this area, and this nice master plan that D.R. Horton is putting together. Let's go back inside because it is kind of warm today. Not too bad. It's still in the hundreds, triple digits. Also, guys, if you guys are enjoying this property tour, do me a huge favor. Like my video, subscribe to my channel if you want to continue to see these tours. Also, if you don't want to miss any upcoming tours, then tap that notification bell. That way you receive the notification. So here's this powder room currently being used as a public bathroom. So I'll give you a little quick look because there's some trash that's building up. But I just wanted to show you, we do have a powder room here downstairs. You just turn off this fan. That's that front door we came in through. Now let's go upstairs, guys. As we head upstairs, guys, I wanted to share something with you guys. So if you're considering buying a new build home, it's really critical, if you want a realtor like myself, to bring me, or if you already have a trusted realtor along that you're working with, it's very important that you guys come with us on the first time with the builder. If we are not there, the builder will not allow us to assist you later on. And the question I get, guys, is why having your own realtor is so important? That's actually a really question I don't expect everybody to know, to be honest. But I mean, we're here to look out for your best interest, guys. Provide honest advice and helping you secure the best deal possible at the end of the day. While builders agents are very helpful, don't get me wrong guys, I love working with them. They ultimately do represent the builder guys. So I generally want to ensure you have the best experience and get the most value out of your new home purchase guys. At the end of the day, that's my goal. So if you do have any questions or need any advice, don't hesitate to reach out. I have my contact info in the description below guys. But welcome to the second floor guys. That's your primary. Let me show you your laundry room right here. Like I said, washer and dryer do come included with your home purchase. Also, you'll notice here you got the vinyl flooring. Over here, you don't. So here, D.R. Horton is a spec builder, guys, and that cannot be changed. What's gonna happen is you're gonna have carpet all throughout, except your wet areas like your laundry room and your bathroom, guys, as you can see right there. So let me show you bedroom number 1. Check it out, guys. Also 8-foot ceilings here on the second floor. Also, D.R. Horton always has incentives, guys. So as I'm making this video, you could get right now 4.99%, I believe, on FHA and 5.5% for conventional rate buy down. And they are offering up to $5,000 towards your closing cost. Just a really quick info, but like I said, everything changes, guys. Just as fast as interest rates change, their promotions change too. So they go with whatever the market's saying. So depends on when you're watching this video, it could be different, but like always guys, just reach out to me and I'll give you the updated pricing or at least the incentives. Here's bedroom number 2. Really nice, and then right over here, you have your closet right there. Then right here, linen closet. So now let's go to the 3rd bedroom. To be honest, guys, I know some people are probably gonna be like, it's overpriced, this and that. I mean, we have to get, be realistic, guys. Times have changed. I understand we can't always live in the past, guys. Like, don't get me wrong. I would love those past prices. Like, yes, this home was probably 100 to 100,000 back then, but times change, market evolves, and it's one of those things like, oh well, right? Like, there's nothing you can do about it, right? And you can either choose to wait forever or just get with it and buy yourself a home and stop paying rent. But at the end of the day, guys, I'm not here to convince you guys to buy, rent, and all that. All I'm doing, guys, is just showing you what's out there, and it might fit some people, it might not fit some people, and it's okay, guys. But here it is, guys. Here's the second floor. Let me show you really quick before we head into the primary bedroom. Welcome to your primary bedroom. This guy is not bad, Usually, D.R. Horton, their staging is not the best, guys. They always use very nice, bright, vibrant colors. This time, I mean, they're kind of borderline, but a little different from what I'm used to seeing, to be honest. But here's your primary. So you do have 2 windows. Let me stand over here just to give you another quick view from here. Then right behind me, guys, you guessed it, primary bathroom. So you got your dual sinks. In between, it's a walkway to go into your walk-in closet. You got the drop-in sinks, quartz countertop, same color cabinets as the kitchen. And here off to the left is your toilet. There's your stand-up shower. You do have a window. Sorry, you do have a window. Let me stand over here real quick. Give you guys a view from here. Welcome to your walk-in closet. Not too bad, right? Not too bad. Well, let me know in the comments below your thoughts of this floor plan. You like it, you don't. Just drop anything, guys, whatever you guys think about this house. And if you guys would like to schedule a showing to come check out this community, or maybe another community, or maybe not even looking for a new home, or even looking to sell your property, anything, guys, all my contact information in the description below. Would definitely love the opportunity to earn your business and be your agent of choice. So contact info below. Like always, guys, do me a huge favor. If you guys enjoyed this tour, like the video, subscribe, and tap that bell for notification. That way when we do upload these tours, guys, you guys are always the first to learn about them. Until next time, guys.